Let's go over how to use the First Responders app. So First Responders, what it does, it scans every or virtually every forum, discussion site, and QA site on the internet for all of your target keywords. So let's quickly go through how to add a keyword to your search. Pretty simple. So I'm just using content marketing as kind of an example here. So I'm scanning content marketing itself with exact match in titles, HubSpot with exact match, and Hootsuite in titles only. So let's add in Curata. That's a content marketing platform. We've got some volume there, not too much data, but that's fine. Let's just add that to the search, and let's maybe throw in another content marketing platform. Let's see. Let's put in Marketo. More of a CRM, but whatever. Okay, so let's add those to the search. All right, so now we've got 5 keywords being scanned, and let's see what kind of results these are pulling up. Okay, so we've got threads as new as 3 hours old, as fresh as 3 hours old, 11 hours, 18 hours, a day ago, and we've got 22 pages that are they look pretty recent. And the idea here is to look for recent threads that you can respond to, ideally answering someone's question by using your content. So what I mean by that is, let's say we want to open this Reddit thread super quick. Hi everyone, I use Hootsuite for a bunch of stuff. Whatever, does anyone know of a workaround in Hootsuite, or am I stuck in an infinite loop of switching tabs? So maybe you have content, maybe you have a tutorial somewhere on your blog about how to use Hootsuite for something, and maybe it ties into your overall message. This is a great spot just to, again, this is 3 hours old. You could put in your helpful tip right there and then say, hey, actually, you know what, in addition to this, I've done a whole tutorial breakdown on Hootsuite. Maybe you'll find it helpful. It's at mysite.com/whatever. So that's a great example of frictionless content marketing, where you're providing value first, and then you link out to further value, which is to your own content on your site. Now, the results that you can see from this really range, but this is an immediate traffic strategy. You will see visitors basically immediately, and this can be substantial. It can really add up. If you've got either yourself or some team, some people in your team doing this on a daily basis, and having this app set to refresh daily, this could be like a 20-minute activity every day that results in like seriously thousands of additional visitors per month. And this content, it's not only an instant hit, it's also going to have some staying power. Like these sites like Reddit and all these forums, they typically rank really well for this kind of content for whatever keywords that are going to be pulled up. You're going to see a lot of referred search engine traffic for months and even years. So this is a really holistic, evergreen strategy that is both short-term results and long-term afterglow. So very powerful. When you do find stuff that's maybe worthy of checking out, to make it easy on yourself or your team, you can use our asset system. So you just click the star to save those results. Go over to assets and you'll see them pop up here. You can sort by which app you found them in, etc. Anyway, that is a look at using First Responders. It's a pretty straightforward, simple app, and it's pretty friggin' powerful. So this is one of the easier ones to use, and probably one of the most effective ways to drive traffic to your content out of the gate and over the long haul. All right, guys, I look forward to hearing all about what kind of results you're seeing from this. It's going to be pretty encouraging. So, all right, talk soon.